Can you believe it's December? Which means one thing, old man winter will soon be knocking on our doors. So today I'm going to share 5 winter essentials every woman needs in her wardrobe. It's all coming up next at Style at a Certain Age. Hi, ladies, it's Beth. Thanks so much for stopping by today. And a very warm welcome if this is your first time visiting. Hit the subscription box down below on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos coming your way. This channel is dedicated to aging with grace, strength, and beauty. So like, share, and comment so the YouTube algorithm is happy and more women exactly like you who want to stay modern, fresh, and relevant will discover the content. But let's chat about those 5 winter essentials. Winter weather can be dark and dreary, but that doesn't mean we need to sacrifice our style. And as a matter of fact, this time of year, it's so important to incorporate those bold pops of color because it really does brighten our day. But today I pulled together a list of 5 winter essentials. It is by no means an exhaustive list, but it is a very succinct list that will keep you stylish all winter long. First up is a bold scarf. And I love scarves any time of year, whether it's spring or summer, where sometimes I'm not necessarily tying them around my neck, but using them as a belt or an accessory with my purse. But in the winter time, a bold scarf is essential, especially a wool scarf that I can pop over my overcoat and I can tie it in various ways to truly add a layer of warmth. But don't forget silk scarves in the wintertime because they are a must-have that goes from work to weekend with ease. And honestly, you can pair a silk scarf with any outfit that you have. And that's when you really can go for a very colorful, as I said, bold scarf. Number 2 on my list of winter wardrobe essentials is a cozy sweater. So whether it's a cable knit sweater, a merino wool sweater, or a cashmere sweater, cardigan, crew neck, V-neck, they come in a variety of silhouettes, but a cozy sweater is a must-have. And this is because it is such a versatile piece of clothing. You can wear it with jeans and a pair of booties for the weekend, or you can add it with a pencil skirt for work. A sweater truly is one of those investment pieces that you can add into your wardrobe and know that it will last for years and years. I love to have the style recipe of just a sweater and blue jeans. You just add the booties and you're ready to walk out the door. But a cozy sweater also is perfect, especially for those drafty offices that many of us find ourselves in. And my third wardrobe winter essential is a pair of eyeglasses or sunglasses. And many of us think that sunglasses are just for summer, but that's not true. We really need a good pair of sunglasses to protect our eyes all year long. But it can be confusing when we go off to shop for eyewear, and that's where Warby Parker steps in. I've loved this brand for years, and I've utilized their virtual online try-on session, but they've upped the game recently. So they actually ship 5 glasses, and it can be sunglasses, eyeglasses, you could mix and match. So they send 5 to your home absolutely free, and they actually have a prepaid shipping label that you can send it back. And I love that Warby Parker is committed to providing exceptional eye care, whether that's online or, as I said, in-home. And they have contact lenses, they have prescription glasses, and sunglasses. So you really can run the gamut and have a one-stop shopping experience. And don't let your FSA or your HSA dollars go to waste because you can use them at Warby Parker too. That Warby Parker glasses start at $95 and up, so they're very, very affordable. So I'm going to share three of the 5 glasses with you. So I picked a pair of sunglasses, and then you can vote down below if you like any of them, all of them, and let me know which one actually goes with my face. So the first one is a pair of sunglasses. I wear my sunglasses at night. So I really like this color blue. It's kind of bold, because, the bold hues are in this year. So those are my sunglasses, and then the rest I just picked for eyeglasses, but I'm just going to show you two. So I'm always a sucker for tortoiseshell. So I just picked a very traditional pair right here, and I like them. They're also very lightweight, which I do like that. Some of my glasses could be a little bit heavier, but these are not. And then here's the third one. So this is a two-tone. So I have tortoiseshell on top and then blue on the bottom. We'll also have everything linked down below. So if you're interested in trying the free Warby Parker at-home glasses, just go to warbyparker.com/style. And again, we'll have that link down below, and you'll be on your way. They have a quiz. They make it really, really easy. And then you can see which glasses are the perfect pair for your face. Next on my list for winter wardrobe essentials are boots and booties. Yep, these boots are made for walking, and that's just what I'll do. But all kidding aside, boots and booties are not only stylish, but they really serve a purpose, and that is keeping our feet warm during the cold winter months. And whether it's a pair of short booties or whether they're tall knee-high booties, you can even go over the knee. I like any and all of them. And again, you want to start with neutral colors. So you want to start with the browns and you want to start with the blacks. And I really suggest having the bootie and a tall boot at your beck and call, because you can tuck your jeans, your skinny jeans. Yes, I still like my skinny jeans. They're absolutely perfect to tuck into a pair of tall boots or over the knee boots. But booties are just super fun. And they just come in so many styles this year. We have lots of variations. So we have the tall shaft bootie, and then we just have the regular bootie. You can get suede, you can get leather, you can get a lot of different colors. So as I said, start with the neutrals first and then build on with your booties and your boots, because you will be stylish all winter long in just this one simple accessory. And last but not least on my winter essential list is a modern overcoat, because it wouldn't be winter without those cold winter winds blowing. So an overcoat is definitely a must-have. And again, I suggest going with a very traditional, a very classic, single-breasted or double-breasted coat. Again, in neutral colors, so go with a camel, gray, black, or navy. It will serve you well all winter long. But if you live up north, if you live in Minnesota, if you live in Canada, if you live in a climate where winter goes on and on and on, you're going to want more than one overcoat. So this is where you can kind of branch out. You can get a little bit jazzy. And this year, again, puffer coats are coming, vibrant, beautiful shades of reds and yellows and purples. You can even get, I saw at J. Crew, they have the Liberty pattern. Lots of fun choices this year. So go ahead and add personality to your overcoat. I will just give one or two style tips. And one is, if you're just going with the classic overcoat, you want to make sure that the length hits below your knee so it can encapsulate your midi skirts or your midi dress, and you don't have that awkward look where you have a shorter overcoat and then your skirt or dress hanging below your coat. So definitely make sure, if you just have one coat in your closet, that it's going to cover your dresses and your skirts, the longer ones. And also, if you like to wear blazers and you like to wear chunky sweaters, a slim fitting overcoat is not going to work. So that's when I recommend sizing up one size to help you get through those winter months with your blazers and your chunky sweaters. So just keep that in mind. But if you only have room in your budget for one coat, go with the classic, go with the single-breasted, double-breasted, neutral color, and then branch on from there. Yes, the weather might be frightful these days, but there's no reason to forego a stylish wardrobe. I hope you found a little bit of inspiration. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Of course, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.